Hello friends, is your microphone not working on your Windows 11 PC? Don't worry, in today's video I will show you how you can solve this problem. Before starting, all of you, welcome to my channel Techie Dialogue. So friend, let's go together to solve the issue. To solve this issue, we have to make input and output driver update. To do this, first right click on Start menu and click on Device Manager. Then you have to click on Audio Inputs and Outputs. Then you have to right click on first option Microphone Realtek High Definition Audio. Then click on Update Driver. Then you have to click on Browse My Computer for drivers. Then you have to click on this option. Let me pick from a list of available drives on my PC, on my computer. Click on this option. Then select audio endpoint and then click on next button. As you can see, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Then close the window. Click on close button. Then you have to click on second option, microphone USB condenser microphone. Right click on this option and then click on update driver. Same process, click on the second option, then click on this option. Then you have to select audio endpoint and then click on next button. As you can again see, Windows has successfully updated your drivers. Now click on close button. After updating the drivers, we have to check microphone setting. So to do this, again right click on start button, then click on settings. Then in the left side you can see privacy and security button. Click on this button. Then you have to scroll down and then you can get microphone option. Click on this option. Make sure that microphone access should be on. As you can see, my microphone access button is on. And the second option, let apps access your microphone. This option should be on. And there is a list you can see which apps can access the microphone and which cannot access microphone. You can also change these buttons on or off as you like. After doing these settings, then you have to restart your computer and hopefully your microphone related problem will be solved. So follow these steps on your PC and let me know your valuable feedback. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and share this video and subscribe my channel Techie Dialogue. That's all for today, my friend. Thank you. Have a good day.